안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today we are going to make a delicious soup, Miyeok guk in Korea. It's a Korean seaweed soup. Traditionally, this soup is eaten for breakfast on birthdays, and it is also consumed by women after birth. However, this soup isn't just for birthdays. Let's get started. We're going to use 15 grams of dried seaweed. We're going to rehydrate in water. So just pour cold water so that it covers the seaweed. Good. We're gonna set aside for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to mince the garlic and cut the beef brisket. And for the Korean seaweed soup, depending on season and region, you can use beef, sometimes clams, anchovy stock. So there are a few different versions, but the most common, the typical one is 소고기 미역국, which is beef seaweed soup. I'm using 400 grams of beef brisket. So we're gonna cut this in a small bite sizes. Good. It's all cut in a small pieces, and the seaweed has been soaked in cold water. Okay. As you can see, it expands quite a lot. We're going to drain water and rinse it. The one that I'm using today is already cut in a small pieces, like this one. But if you're using this type of miyeok, the seaweed, you have to break in a small pieces and then soak in cold water. Okay. Squeeze out excess water, and it's ready. Now I'm going to heat the pot and start cooking. We're going to start from stir frying the beef. The typical version of Miyeok guk, to stir fry, we use sesame oil. So today we're using 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and add all the beef to the pot. Stir fry the beef until they turn a little brown. You don't have to fully cook them. Then add the seaweed, the soaked seaweed, to the pot and stir fry. Give it a stir. Adding soy sauce. I'm using soup soy sauce or light soy sauce. Make sure you're not using dark soy sauce because dark soy sauce is sweeter. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce to it, and water goes in here. 1.5 liters of water goes in, and higher the heat. I'm going to bring it to a boil until it cooks. Once it's boiling, skim off and then reduce the heat. And then we're going to add the minced garlic to it. Give it a stir and lower the heat. And I'm going to cover with the lid on and simmer for 20 minutes. Let's check the soup. Looks done. Let's check. Okay. And I want to taste it. For me, it's good. If it lacks salt or sodium, you can add a little bit of salt to it, or about 1 to 2 teaspoons of any kind of fish sauce goes well with this soup as well. So we Koreans, we do eat a few different types of seaweed, especially during winter. And it is considered the superfood because it has lots of vitamin K, very nutritious but low in calories. It's very healthy and of course delicious. This is normally a table setting for Miyeok guk. It goes with rice, cooked rice, kimchi, and banchan. Today I prepared stir-fried anchovies. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.